Hello students. So today we will learn about Python with mysql. We will create some programs of Python. Okay. So see here we have used py mysql library, which will helps you to make the connection with mysql command. Okay. So first this command is now next command is used to make the connection with mysql. Okay. Now here is localhost is the address of your PC, and your root is the by default name of your mysql, and the password which I have make for the SQL. And next one is the database is the name of the SQL. Okay. Now see, I will make the connection with this database. Okay, school. Now here cursor object is used. This object will what is the function of this object? This object execute the query. Okay, execute the query of SQL. You can see this SQL command we have used to make the table. Make sure you have to use 3 double quotes to write any SQL command. Okay. Now you can see cursor object will execute this SQL command, and we have to close this object also. Before executing this program, we will see SQL first. Let's see. Now see, show databases first command we will use. Okay. Now see, I have created one database, that is school. We will make the table by using this Python code. Okay, in this database school. Now see, if I will see show, okay, sorry, use school. Okay. Now show tables. Now you can see there is no table inside the school database. If I will execute this command, okay, okay, if I will execute this command, now you can see no error is there. If I will execute this command again, now you can see table student table is created here. Okay. Now this is the way to execute, this is the way to write the program in Python. Okay. Now next program is to insert the values. Okay, how to insert the values? Let's see. Same pattern we will use. Okay, we will change the command to insert the values. Okay, here we have inserted the values. Okay, you can see hundreds, meta and all. Okay. Now if I will execute this command, okay, now if I will execute this command and I will see the output, select star from student. Now you can see the output. Okay, you can see the output here. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this commit is used to, if for example if you are making any changes in these values, now no error will come. This will automatically edit the value in this SQL. Okay, by using this commit command. Okay. And rollback function is used in case you have inserted some wrong values in it. Now then no error will come. Okay. For example, in place of numeric values you have inserted some alphabetics, then no errors will come. Okay, the rollback will avoid the errors. And same cursor and cursor we have already discussed.